Hi, I am Aya. Subscribe Aya Cartoons for more videos.
In the village of Chanpur, where laughter fills the air, there lived a determined little girl named Aisha who dreamed of becoming a painter. One day, Aisha ventured into her grandmother's attic, where she discovered an old dusty box hidden away in a corner. Curiosity sparked in Aisha's eyes as she found the box filled with broken paintbrushes and half-empty paint tubes. Excitement filled Aisha's heart as she eagerly picked up the broken brushes and tried to use them, but her attempts only resulted in messy strokes on the canvas. Witnessing Aisha's disappointment, Farah decided to seek help from her uncle, an artist, who gifted Aisha a set of brand new brushes and vibrant paints. Aisha's heart filled with excitement and anticipation as she received the gift, her creative spirit awakening with each stroke of her imagination. However, a huge monsoon storm swept through the village, bringing with it a torrential downpour, flooding the streets and homes. Devastation filled Aisha's eyes as she witnessed her newly painted artworks being washed away by the floodwaters, crushing her dreams. Undeterred by the setback, Aisha knelt down in the water, gathering the broken brushes that floated around her, her determination stronger than ever. With each stroke of her brush, Aisha turned the broken brushes into magical tools, bringing them to life with vibrant colors, and teaching the village children about resilience and the value of never giving up. Aisha's beautiful artwork now adorns the walls of the village, reminding everyone of the power of perseverance and the joy that can emerge from even the most broken beginnings.